Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to save an article on the Flow application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should tap on the X button in the upper right corner and tap on secret chats down below, which is the third option. Here you can tap on the popular button at the top and you can search from various articles. Here you can see categories such as interests, and after that when you have found an article that you are interested in, just tap on the heart icon after reading it so you can edit the saved sections. If you want to add it to that section, tap on the bookmark icon and it will appear here, so you will be able to find it quite easily. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.